Hello and welcome class 7 students. Today also we will continue with the formula chapter exercise 14 where we have started a new formula, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That is, the product of the sum and the subtraction of two terms is equal to the subtraction of square of the first term and the square of the second term. That is, in short, we can precisely say this as a plus b into a minus b gives you a square minus b square. So today we will solve the sums of exercise 14 based on these formula. Now we will go to a little bit of tough sums, a little bit difficult sums where the first term and the second term can be a little bit of confusing. For example, sum number 4. In sum number 4 it is given that x square minus 2yz and x square plus 2yz. This is given to you and you are asked to solve this sum, simplify this sum, but applying the formula a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b. Now whether a plus b is written at first or a minus b is written at first doesn't matters. Both are same. See here, a means a. In this sum, a, that is the first term is x square, not x but x square, and the second term is 2yz. Second term is 2yz. So we will consider x square as a and 2yz as b and solve the sum. We will consider x square as a and 2yz as b and solve the sum. This we will assume. We may or may not write this while doing the sum, but we have to assume x square as the first term and 2yz as the second term. Then what will be the answer or what will be the next step? We know that the answer will be always equal to a square minus b square, because this is a minus b, this is just like a minus b, and a plus b or a plus b into a minus b gives you a square minus b square. Here a is x square, this whole is a, so a square will be x square whole square minus, here b is 2yz whole square. So in this way, by applying the formula, we will solve this sum. We will apply the formula a plus b into a minus b and write the answer in this form, a square minus b square. Here a means x square and b means 2yz. So x square whole square minus 2yz whole square. Now we will remove the brackets. X square here means, x square whole square means x to the power 4. And 2yz whole square means 4y square z square. 2 2s are 4, y and z. Yz whole square means y square z square. So this is the answer of the sum. This is the answer of the sum number 4. Now gradually we will move in other sums. Suppose in case of sum number 5 and sum number 6, back to back we will do sum number 5 and sum number 6. Please see, I am rubbing sum number 4 and doing sum number 5 and sum number 6 for your convenience. Sum number 5. In sum number 5 it is given that PQ plus RS and PQ minus RS. PQ plus RS and PQ minus RS. We have to assume PQ as the first term and RS as the second term. PQ is the first term. Try to relate the sum with the formula given. If you relate, you can easily understand that PQ is just like A, that is the first term, and RS is just like B, that is the second term. So it will be like square of the first term minus square of the second term. Here the first term is PQ. So square of PQ minus square of RS. So ultimately if we remove the bracket, we will get P square minus Q square minus R square S square. So this is the answer after applying the formula a plus b into a minus b. In this way we will solve the sum. Now Next sum is sum number 6. Sum number 6, it is given that 3a square plus 5b square, 3a square plus 5b square and 3a square minus 5b square. So 3a square plus 5b square and 3a square minus 5b square. Now here please try to understand carefully that here 3a square is the first term, not 3a only, but 3a square, that is 3a including this square is the first term, and 5b square, 5b including this square is the second term. So we will assume 3a square as the first term a and 5b square presumably will be taken as b, and then solve the sum. So what we will write in the next step? We will try to relate this sum with the formula a plus b into a minus b and solve the sum. Solve the sum. So sum will be relating to this a square. Derivation will be relating to this a square minus b square. Here a is 3a square. This 3a square whole is a. So that will be 3a square minus 5b square whole square. See, 3a square whole will be considered as the first term and 5b square whole will be considered as the second term. So, ultimately you are going to get 9a to the power 4 minus 25b to the power 4. 9a to the power 4 and 25b to the power 4 will be the answer of sum number 6. Now, we will solve the next sum, that is sum number 11. In sum number 11, it is given that 5p square, try to relate, in sum number it is given that 5p square q square plus 3 and 5p square q square minus 3. So, we will again relate the formula a plus b and a minus b and solve this sum. Here a means this whole 5p square q square is the first term, that is it will be used as a. So square of the first term means we will derive this formula into this form, a square minus b square, that is the difference of the first term square and the second term square. Here the first term is the whole of 5p square and q square. The whole of this will be considered as the first term. So square of the first term means square of this whole, and square of the second term means square of 3. Now we will simplify. We will remove the bracket and see what we are getting as the answer. 5 into 5, 25. P to the power 4, Q to the power 4, because by removing bracket all the thing will get square. All the thing will get square. 5p square q square into 5p square q square. If you do, you will get 25p to the power 4, q to the power 4 minus 3 3s are 9. So this is the answer of sum number 11. So I hope whatever I have explained through these sums, you have understood very well the applicability of the formula where the product of sum of two term and difference of two term is equal to difference of square of the first term and the second term is given. I hope you will be able to do the homework when I will give you after the homework after the online class. Follow these videos carefully, follow the PDFs that we are attaching with the video and try to solve the sum. Till then, goodbye.